This is Cassie. She's also known as a ZZ plant, but some people call her the eternity plant, and that's because she's brilliant at bouncing back to life after long periods of drought. That means if you're a lazy waterer, she's great for you too. That's also why she makes Patch's list of unkillable plants. In fact, if you water Cassie too much, she can drop her leaves and rot. So she's perfect for those office spaces and home spaces where you can't be around to help out that much. She's great in places where there's not much light, and she'll put up with shade. And even better, Cassie's one of those plants that detoxifies the air around you. So she's great for offices or even your bedroom. And if you want to learn more about looking after Cassie and other plants, check out the Patch Houseplant Parenting course. It's available on their website.